I will introduce a very cute voice recorder with you today. Can you see? This is a VikLink voice recorder. So let's unbox it in front of you. I just received it now.
Okay, action.
So let's unpack our product in front of you. Here is our manual. We have one cable, which is USB 2.0 to USB-C. You can use this cable to transfer the audio into your computer. And this is our main things. This is our very cute voice recorder. You can see this is very small. This is half of my finger. We have USB-C port here and very tiny button here. We can see. If we turn it on, then our LED will indicate red light. If we turn off, it will stop. We have 3.5 mm audio jack here. Here we have a little hole. By using this, you can use a ring or something like hanging in our neck or in our bike, in our key ring. So you can use something like that. And here we have microphone. And the body of this voice recorder is made of aluminum alloy or headphone. This is 3.5 mm port, and we can control our volume here. We can change our audio next and before. So this is very good quality headphone.